If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To customize your company's time settings in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Time Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the individual settings in that category to the right. For companies with a QuickBooks Time or Payroll Premium subscription, the Time Settings category contains the time tracking, timesheet fields, and Manage Kiosk sections. Unlike other categories in the Account and Settings window, to edit the individual settings in each section of the time category in these types of companies, click the pencil icon button at the right end of each section. Alternatively, for companies with basic time tracking, there are fewer settings and you edit them as usual. To learn how to change the time settings for basic time tracking companies in QuickBooks Online, please see the lesson titled Time Tracking Settings in the Time Tracking chapter of this tutorial. To select the first day of the work week for time tracking, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Time Tracking section. Then select the day from the first day of work week dropdown. To save the change, click the Save button in this section. Alternatively, to cancel the change, click the Cancel button instead. To edit the settings for timesheet entries, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Timesheet Fields section to open a Customize Your Timesheets window. This window shows checkboxes for the Customers, Billable, Rate per Hour, Class, Services, and Notes fields that you can add to timesheets. To show a field in the timesheets, check its checkbox. To remove a field from the timesheet, uncheck its checkbox. Contrary to what the Save button on this page implies, any changes to timesheet fields are saved and applied as soon as you change the field. To close this window, either click the Save button at the bottom of the page, or click the X button in the upper right corner of the page. To add a shared device for employees to use to clock in and out as a time clock kiosk, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Manage Kiosk section to open a Kiosk Manager window. To set the amount of time before a user is signed out of the kiosk due to inactivity, enter the seconds of duration to allow into the Inactivity Timer Duration in Seconds field. To add a device, click the Add Device button and then select either Use this computer or other device from the drop-down menu. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finish adding the device. To enable or disable location recording on all kiosks, click the More drop-down and then select a choice. To close the window when finished, click the Done button. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.